A sales executive often stresses on the fact that I may connect with a lot of opportunities, but even after sharing a proposal or a quotation, if I don't follow up correctly or in a timely manner, I'm likely to lose that particular opportunity or the deal. Essentially, it becomes follow-ups are most essential part of the sales cycle. Effectively, most CRMs offer you opportunities or in many ways offer you facilities to do follow-ups in many possible manners. But now we are in the AI age, and essentially now Odoo brings in AI-powered follow-ups in their CRM itself. This AI-powered features not only assist you in follow-ups but many other aspects of CRM to make your work more efficient. Let's dive and check out. As I was talking about, a lot of time spent by sales team goes into writing emails, searching for customer history, looking for previous status, creating minutes of the meeting, deciding what to do with respect to new approach. A lot of follow-up efforts have to be done, and of course time spent is money spent. So it is not about the lack of efforts, it is not about the lack of amount of leads, but the sales execution of follow-ups and even the time spent also has an impact on the final project. This brings in inconsistent follow-ups, responses which are delayed, and over-reliance on people, memory, and even their efforts to pull everything cut through. What can happen through missed follow-ups is that every delay or every follow-ups can cause you to either lose the customer or you are going to add additional cost to acquire the customer. Also, inconsistent communication. So maybe you may be active in 2 days, but then the third response goes in the 5th day. A lot of dependency now here is on the salesperson, which effectively ensures that you are not quite managed from an enterprise level, and if a salesperson misses out or is unavailable, you lose the lead. The focus of all sales team is on selling, but with respect to selling, follow-ups becomes the most important part. From a selling point of view, you need a lot of inputs from the system that has been fed with respect to summary of the opportunity, what was the background, what was discussed, what was proposed, what are clients' preferences, drafting of right kind of emails, analysis of the conversation that we had, and most importantly, insights into the sales. You may have to go through each and every email before every call to remember what was being said, but what AI-powered CRMs can do is to bring in all emails and summarize for you what is the overall context of the conversation and what should you approach and what you should talk about. What was the final last interaction, what was the suggested new action, and this can help you from a context point of view. So you don't have to remember all these things. You can also create personalized follow-ups in seconds within Odoo. You can create automation by setting up dates. You can create reminders to create proposals at a certain date, and you can also summarize your meeting within the system. A basic input like a summary can help or go a long way in bringing AI-powered benefits. The system can also look at all the opportunities that exist, capture or look at the data, and can identify what leads need more attention than others. It could be because of probability, it could be based on the last conversation, expected closure dates. So there could be n number of parameters based on which AI can identify and tell you what to do next or where should you focus your energy. Odoo will beyond CRM is not just dependent on CRM activities, it is an integrated system. It can handle activity tracking, it can do sales forecasting, it can do team collaboration, and of course all possible reports can be generated from the system. The major impact after you bring in Odoo CRM, specifically with AI-Assisted CRM, you will be able to see the major differences across many domains. Most importantly, the summaries of any opportunity, draft emails, engagement, and most importantly, ability to see reporting forecast in time. Please note, and it's quite important to understand, that AI is not focused towards replacing salespeople. In fact, it is bringing in, just like any other tool in past or in future, to do their work more efficiently. All the mundane work which requires manual intervention or memory muscle, it can be used. AI can help you do that for you. This will ensure that the CRM is adopted at a very high degree of precision. That's all for this video. Kindly do stay connected with Apagen and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.